If you want to make a website but for free, then this video is going to be very fantastic for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how to make a website for free. Just keep watching, and now let's begin. So to make a website for free, the first thing you need to do is go to blogger.com. This site, blogger.com, is a platform, or you can say a website, where you can use blogger.com and make a website for free. But the problem is that hosting, everything is free, but you'll not get free domain name like .com, .in. You'll not get that thing, because these domain names are not free. No one will give you these kinds of domain name for free. So here on this platform, Blogger, you'll get a .blogspot.com. Like here, let's say you have your site name, example.blogspot.com. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's gone. The bike is gone. Okay. So here on Blogger, it will give you blogspot.com. So that is not a good thing. But here the hosting is free. It's simple to use, fantastic. And the best thing is that we also have our course right now on this Blogger. So if you want to access the playlist, the link is given below. Go ahead and access the playlist, and you learn everything that you need to know about Blogger as a beginner. And the best thing about that course is that here I'm starting from scratch, and I have already uploaded the part 1. Part 2 will come very soon. So just go ahead, subscribe the channel and access the playlist first, and then you'll automatically learn how to make a website for free. But you have to watch those videos that I will upload in that playlist, then you will learn. Okay, so the process is simple. First one, use Blogger. Or if you don't know how to use, then second step is go access my course and enjoy. So that's it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed the video, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe and tap on the bell icon. Okay, see you soon. Peace.